wanted to present you with this plaque here today. This says to Deputy Matt Veal, in appreciation of your dedicated and loyal service to the Pennington County Sheriff's Office from 2012 to 2022. And we appreciate everything you've done for us.
Well, thank you, sir.
And,
I sure appreciate it.
We'll let you go get your stuff all set up and running, and then you can come back.
That'll work.
Yeah.
You've been quite a hand for us over the years, from when you worked
thank
for us full time to when you worked for us part time, and you're always been there. And when I talk to the folks that are doing the scheduling, whenever we had a need, I mean, you just always have been there for us. So we
Yeah.
appreciate it. But we're super excited for your next venture, and
Yeah.
you're out there impacting lives in a major way, and we appreciate
thank
that.
you.
Wish you the best.
Thank you, Sheriff. And I just want to tell you, I really admire you and appreciate you. I mean, you could choose an easier career, one with a little less stress and liability, but we need good guys, all of you guys, to be out there doing what you do. And so I'm glad that you guys are faithful to it and doing
Thank
it.
you.
I
We got an awesome
appreciate it.
team.
Yes,
Appreciate you.
absolutely, absolutely.